So now that we've looked at linked lists, we're going to talk a little bit about stacks. Stacks are a data structure also made up of nodes, single or double, and the thing about stacks is they follow a principle called last in, first out. So adding to the stack will push all the nodes down, and then when you want to remove from the stack, you will take out the last element that you added. So the last element is the first one to be removed. You can sort of think about this like a can of Pringles. So you're adding all the chips to the can, and then at the end, the last one that you put in is the first one you take out. So Java Stack can be implemented using a linked list. So in this case, I have my regular link, the one we talked about in the linked list, a list node class, which has information and a next pointer. It's a singly linked list. And using this class, I just basically implement a stack using similar methods. They're a little bit different, and the Java naming is a little bit different. So we have our basic constructor that will set the head and the size. Then to add to the stack, we have a push function. And basically it'll take in the information that you want to put in the stack, and it will add it to the beginning of the list. So every time you add or you push objects into the list, it'll add to the beginning and push the subsequent objects to the back. Then we have size, peak, and is empty, which are basic functions for most data structures, and a toString as well. And then pop is your remove function. It will basically remove the first item from the list, and then it will return it. And it doesn't need anything, and it returns the item that it has popped or nothing. And similarly to a linked list, both the push and the pop function use the pointers, and they just rearrange them as you do in a linked list.